morning. This is the van. On a road trip. Hello, hello.
Yeah, I'm gonna say you.
This is the van.
Oh, you want me to get out?
I'll be back after last night and this morning.
Quick Trip Kitchen talking about something? Like the pups up condiments. We got honey mustard and we got chipotle.
Hold on. Damn.
Not the delayed hold on. I'm gotta get condiments though. She did not add my sauces.
Everybody got their stuff.
So, pee break. I haven't been to one of these in so long. So one thing, I forgot nail glue. Like I didn't bring nail glue. I forgot my mascara. What else? Like I didn't even put on mascara and forgot it. Like that's what happens when I rush. Like I'm actually kind of annoyed. I love you.
Nah, they be thirsty, bro.
More food, like,
I'm ready to get there. Make sure I get it.
at the beach. Anyway. No, like that.
Too much of a neck ass.
Oh, this is beautiful. Run! Why are we hopping? Let's see what I see in 3, 2, 1. I'm Carol.
We could have hurried up and don't look crazy. But I think tracksuits would have like got one maybe in our close circle right here.
And it's blending in with the rocks too, yeah. In the back. Nah, she gets back. What's today? Today's Wednesday? She gets back today.
Thank you.
I need
No, the moon just keeps looking better and better. Oh my god.
Nigga, this is ballistic, bro.
What's Balenci, bro?
This is ballistic, bro. Oh.
Oh, Nikki.
Oh.
She was eating, no, she.
Wow, when she thinks she's a kid.
No, not the uncle.
Like, you want to take pictures? Let me see the camera. Wow.
My phone's on E about to die, so.
Yeah, that fucking boat is insane.
Big Glock, blow. I'm at East Atlanta, bitch. Don't get
Bored with this, man.
Yay! So we really will be talking through the walls. Just me. This would be interesting. After track dinner, after the
Definitely
meet,
do like a
after meet dinner.
Hey, Rosa first.
Shit,
fries.
some chicken sandwich. I made the chicken shit.
He said we were gonna play, y'all. And I this pimple, this giant pimple, decides to show up today. I kid you not, it was not here earlier. Oh my gosh, it's so ugly. Oh, huh?
Big like your swiping?
Like, yo, I'm about to. I literally said he gonna get 100 tickets, and how many did he get? 100 tickets, bro. Even if it was in 2 tries, he still made 100. Speak what you want to existence today.
150. That's all I gotta say.
Get out of my way.
That motherfucker said spinning. I'm right here like, what the fuck is this?
Bobby, hey, hey, Bobby, Bobby, hey. We are going to add some more.
You gotta do it one more time, sleep.
That's crazy.
It's giving
What are you yapping on about?
iPad kid, but like I'm what?
Really just the
Es hora de salir. Well, this big pimple on my head, like it literally appeared in the few hours we got to the hotel. It got bigger and worse, and I popped it a little bit, and then it started to look ugly. We still have a whole day to shoot, chat. Retainer in, bonnet on, twist in. See how I had to do that? Because the freaking AC broke and wouldn't let me change or do anything.
Can I go to the water too?
Orange, like what?
3, 2. Control, let me. I can feel your silver lining. So I changed chat. It's back to camo. It looks better. Dre Varela. So it's like a mini beach. They looked. I was just trying to see what it looks like. Hey everyone, I'm at the control what you can control shoot. Control. Yeah, God is in control. Amen. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the BTS. Oh, that bunny is fat. This is the fat. Is it like? Oh. Are you okay? It's everywhere.
Let me get y'all right here real quick.
We got napkins. He wanted to play games and go slip and slide into the manatee pool.
I ain't gonna lie, reflexes is on. The water behind too.
Yeah, bro.
Jay, jump in there and see if it's real.
Hell no, don't do that now.
Wait, oh, this looks fake.
That look.
It's real. It's
He
moving.
moving. Nah, he moving, bro.
This is real.
Nah, that's
Yes, he's moving. Why does he look like a real?
That's what I'm saying. You could easily program.
That's a little baby.
Why would they do that at a swamp? They just have it.
People
Like,
think
look.
I'm real, Nikki.
This is a gate.
Think about that.
All right.
You see what I'm
Different
saying?
topic.
I want to see it like actually
Look.
do something other than.
Look, it has a tag on its tail. Look like that.
Oh. Yo, face. Bro.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Now you said these are the two that's gonna wrap.
I'm out in the swamp.
Yep.
Perfect. I love that. Anything I say, you guys can Google it until later. So.
Exactly.
We just capture in the moment. Oh yeah, you look Harrison tell you he glad he got oh, look teenager.
So he's probably 3 or 4 years
He a
old.
youngin'.
But where's the
Oh my
parents?
God.
So he was probably hatched from the mom. There's a mom alligator over there that these moonshine
Holy.
stills, and this
Gotcha.
one was
Come on
huge.
now.
In inches, that's how many feet the gator is going to be from the top of its nose to the end of its.
The normal way.
20 degree unit, so
For sure, that's what's up.
I got to do it for the summer.
Jay, look at this one.
Just relaxed.
All right, 3, 2.
Oh god, you done pretty gas on him. Right there, you two big old turtles right there.
Are you trying to hide from us?
He's scary.
That was shit. Look at that gator, man. He just went down.
Like, yeah, I know that's right. For V Alpha, let's go.
There's not a lot in bloom right now. There's some right here. They are fully in bloom. They open up.
All times. We don't want anyone to actually take any tumbles. Now, if you go ahead and start
Spiders
looking
will
off
be
to your
floating
left
above
at the
our
base of this
head.
bridge. Yeah, it doesn't look like the fawns are out right now, or at least in this immediate area. I'll be able to point out a different spot later on the tracks. That's gonna be that old Swamper's moonshine black bear who walks this immediate area. He kind of rules the roost over here by the lake. Isn't that we're currently in our fall season? Whenever our birds are going through their big
What you huffing and puffing for, piggy?
I'm a Brooklyn nigga, I'm cold hard.
This was a part of